Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the heart of beauty products to give you the inside scoop on what really works. Now, we've all been there, battling dry, stressed skin, especially after a hectic week or long days outdoors. If your skin is crying out for hydration and that fresh, plumped feeling, then this product might be exactly what you've been searching for. Today, we're talking about the Novexpert The Repulp Mask, a luxurious, moisturizing face mask that promises to transform your skin in just one session. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our honest beauty reviews right here on Beautyistic. So, what exactly is the Novexpert The Repulp Mask? This face mask is designed to deeply hydrate, restore, and give your skin that plumped, youthful glow. Its key ingredient, hyaluronic acid, is renowned for its anti-aging properties, helping to fight dry, sagging skin. But what makes this mask stand out is its formula, made with natural and organic ingredients. Plus, it's vegan and hypoallergenic, making it ideal for a wide range of skin types, including normal, combination, and dry skin. Now let's talk about the experience. I applied this mask after a long day of filming and travel, when my skin felt dehydrated and tired. The texture is rich and creamy, not too thick, and it spreads easily onto the skin. I applied a generous amount as instructed and left it on for the recommended 15 minutes. During that time, I could feel my skin absorbing the mask, and it didn't dry out or tighten, something I appreciate with hydrating masks. When it came time to rinse off, I used warm water, followed by a splash of cold as recommended. Instantly, I noticed a difference. My skin felt softer and more nourished. There was a visible plumpness to my cheeks, and the dry areas were more hydrated. Even the next day, my skin felt dewy and smooth, like I just had a professional facial. It's safe to say this product definitely lives up to its moisturizing and plumping claims. But as with any product, there are always some considerations. The mask scent is quite neutral, which I personally like, but it might not be as refreshing or fragrant as some of the other masks out there. Additionally, for the price point, it's important to consider how often you'll use it. It's a splurge for sure. However, for those with dry or aging skin looking for a quick fix, it's a luxury that's worth it. Now, is it worth the price? At $40 for 1.69 aughts, it's a mid to high-end product. While it may not be the most budget-friendly option, the quality of the ingredients, combined with its effectiveness, makes it a solid investment for anyone serious about skincare. Plus, when compared to other high-end hydrating masks that don't quite deliver the same results, Novexpert definitely stands out. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other hydrating masks on the market that are more affordable, like the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask, which provides great hydration at a lower cost. However, the added anti-aging benefits and organic formula in the Novexpert mask make it unique, especially for those with sensitive or mature skin who want something more tailored. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and feels high-end, which matches the luxe experience the product aims to deliver. It's easy to apply, and with regular use, I expect this mask to last a while. The shelf life is reasonable, and I love that it's made in France, which adds an extra touch of European skincare excellence. If you've been looking for a skincare mask that hydrates, plumps, and restores your skin's youthful look, this is definitely one to consider. It's particularly great for those with dry, combination, or normal skin who need a bit of extra hydration and a boost to their complexion. It's not a miracle overnight product, but it's a great addition to your skincare routine for a refreshed, smooth finish. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used the Novexpert The Repulp Mask, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear how it worked for your skin. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.